You might know that if you want to capitalize when the stock's price falls, you should short the stock. But did you know that there is a rule brought in place by the SEC on such shorting of stocks? The rule was brought to protect the market from spiraling downwards as seen in 2008 financial crisis. So if you're a trader or an investor, then make sure you watch this video until the end.
Hello guys, this is Shweta and welcome to the world of Wall Street Mojo.
What is an uptick rule? The uptick rule is also referred to as the plus tick rule. It was first introduced in 1938 but then repealed in 2007 as the regulators were of the opinion that the rule made no difference. But just after the 2008 crash, the regulators realized the importance of it and the SEC reintroduced it under Rule 201 in 2010. So the uptick rule basically restricts stocks from being shorted at a lower price than its last traded price. For a trader to short the stock as per the uptick rule, they can do so only after the stock has moved at least one tick up, and then they can short it. Also, the rule comes into force after the stock is down 10% in the current trading session. Features of the Rule 201. 1. Circuit breaker. The restriction gets activated once the stock declines 10% in the trading session. Number 2. Duration of restriction. The restriction is applicable for 2 days in total, the day on which the stock declined and the next day. Number 3. Securities covered. All securities traded in the US stock exchange would have come under this rule. Number 4. Implementation. All exchanges need to have written guidelines for the implementation of the rule. How does the uptick rule work? Short selling happens when the traders or investors looking to capitalize on the stock's price decline and sell the stock to go short. When prices fall, it usually creates panic in the market and starts a selling frenzy among market participants, leading to massive price bleeding. See it this way. Suppose you have a stock in your portfolio and the price has declined significantly. You might start selling straight away. Now imagine all shareholders doing that, which will make the price decline even further, causing a crash. To stop the market from crashing in case of price decline, the SEC got Rule 201 in place. In short, its main aim is to maintain market stability and protect the confidence of investors in case the market gets attacked by sellers. By the way, here is how the rule would come into action. Say the Tesla is trading at $200 and in today's trading session, the price slipped to $180. Here the uptick rule would be implemented and traders cannot short the stock freely. The stock can be shorted only if it upticks. That is, if the last traded price was $180, the traders can short it only if it moves at least to 180.01. If the rule wasn't put in place, then who knows, maybe a stock would lose most of its value in a single day. So this was all about the uptick rule and we hope you learned something valuable today. We regularly come up with such content on the stock markets and finance in general. So make sure that you have subscribed to the channel so that you don't miss out on our content. Don't forget to give this video a like and we'll see you in the next one.